If your mobile hotspot is not showing on other devices, then follow these few steps in order to fix it. Hello, this is Lucy, and let's get the video without any delay. So first, you need to open your settings. So here at the top, you will see connections. Click on that. Here, you need to go to mobile hotspot and tethering. So first, you need to make sure that your hotspot is turned on. If it's turned off, toggle this bar and it will be on. So click on mobile hotspot and check out the network name and its password. So make sure that the other device has both of these correct. So if you have this band in 5 gigahertz, try changing it to 2.4 gigahertz. So to do that, you need to click on configure and change it with here settings. At the bottom, you can see hidden network. So if you toggle this bar, then your network would be hidden. So make sure it's not hidden. So other thing you need to know that is if your device is connected and if you have blocked that device from connecting with your hotspot, then you need to unblock that device from your hotspot. And these are all the process you need to follow in order to fix this problem. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.